Osmanlı kılıcını kuşanan onurunu taşı.
From a barren land,
Welcome, Governor. As your counsellor, I will do my best to offer help to you. Our people have been living a nomadic life for a long time. But since we discovered this new land, everything's sudden. Now, starting from this small city, we will eventually create a great civilization of our own on this land. Knowing the needs of your people is the first step towards prosperous development. Our people can't survive without food. We need to build a farm first to ensure the food supply in city. Collecting food here. Reliable food supply is the guarantee of citizens' daily life.
Help! Please! Help! Barbarians are attacking my village!
Governor, let's go out of the city and take a look.
This village looks vulnerable. Let's take all the food and burn this place.
It's a shame, but we cannot help them without troops. The only...
That was even easier than I imagined.
It's dangerous. Let's return. The barbarians may come back at any time. We urgently need to train our own troops. Well done. Next, we need to upgrade the wall to reinforce the city defenses. Now we have an army. But an outstanding commander is the real key to victory. A tavern will allow us to recruit talented people. Open this golden chest and see who we may meet.
Tüm Avrupa önümde diz çökecek.
Tap here to search for barbarians.
How dare you!
Punishment must be delivered.
Osmanlı kılıcını kuşanan onurunu taşır.
We can't go back. We must fight to the death.
You fools!
Select the new target to assist our ally.
Just got lucky this time. Wait and see. We'll be back soon.
I have to say that you are the bravest person I have ever seen. Please allow me to join your army and fight alongside you.
Hey there, wanna play a game?
Governor, you proved yourself to be a distinguished leader through that impressive performance. The barbarians have been temporarily driven away. Governor, please follow the quest to build your city. It seems that our efforts have paid off. Some villagers decided to join us to confront the threats together.
Governor, we have
Build a scout camp to manage your scouts.
Please, send me to explore this mysterious land.
The scout will automatically explore this area. You will be notified if he makes any discoveries. Now let's get back to the city and continue our work there. The upgrade would normally take 5 minutes, but we can use items to speed up the building process. Good job. As you can see, speed up items can help us increase our power faster. Our city is fast developing After a successful upgrade of our city hall, the Great Bronze Age shall finally arrive.